Hello YouTube and YouTubers in the making. Today I'll be showing you an easy step-by-step guide here in 2019 to create your YouTube channel. So online you want to go to create YouTube channel. So now that you're here you want to go to Google support, create a new channel. So while you're here you want to go to channel list, and once that's up, I already have a channel, but create a new channel. So now you want to make your brand account name. So let's say I want to make it Nature Hike. So let's say I want to make a Nature Hike YouTube channel. So you name your brand right there, and that would be your YouTube channel name. So it'll take you here, and you actually now be able to this is actually your new channel. So it doesn't look really presentable so far, so I'll teach you guys exactly how to make it more presentable. But before I tell you how to do that, I just want to tell you guys, if you guys want to make a channel, I think YouTube's probably one of the best platforms out there. It actually has 1 billion users, so that's a massive audience. I mean, obviously your audience is going to be smaller, but tons of people to target, and it's just a really overall good platform for sharing and getting feedback with all the comments and stuff like that. So now that you're here, you want to, first of all, you want to click customize channel. Okay, so this is your channel page. It's looking kind of bland, so you want to edit your icon. You don't really want someone, any YouTuber you see, most of them, they usually have a channel icon. So this is basically your brand, what people think of when they see you. So maybe you want to do this one, for instance. Yeah, maybe that, for instance. So you take that. Maybe your channel is getting, so yeah. But this is a nature channel, yeah, this is a nature channel. So I think I'll just use I believe it was this one. The frog? Yeah, the frog. So this will be your nature channel. So this is what people see when they go on your channel, the icon in the bottom. So you want to go back to your channel. Okay, yeah, I'm going to go back to your channel. Click refresh. And there's your actual channel icon. So now you want to add some channel art. So for beginners out there, you could upload from your computer, but you could also go into the gallery. And this actually works out pretty nice because it is nature. So, let's just do this. So this is how it would be viewed in your channel. So if you do on a TV, that's how you'd see it, desktop and mobile. So you don't really have to do anything. It's all set for you. Press select. And there is the beginning of your YouTube channel. So right now you don't have any videos on your channel, and I actually made a video on how to upload videos onto YouTube, so check that out. I'll put that up below the top right. But now that you've made this channel, and I'm going to show you just some of the features that YouTube actually has to offer for you, and we'll go for that. So you have to click here on the YouTube Studio. It's actually a quite new thing that they added to YouTube. So you're going to have here your videos, and you don't have a video yet, but once you start uploading your video and getting views, you'll start coming up here, and you'll see your views, your comments, and your like vs dislike ratio. And the dashboard, you'll just see all of your content and just other tips and tricks and stuff like that. So your analytics, this will show you your views, your watch time, and your subscribers. All of these things are very important for your overall YouTube channel and how people view it. So yeah, now this is something that they added new, but you can't really see it right now because you don't have any views, not enough impressions and data to support this. But impressions are basically when when your video is shown on a YouTube channel page, anywhere, maybe it's recommended, but anything. If it's shown on, that's called an impression. So they can literally click your YouTube video. Impression click-through rate is the percentage of people who click your video when viewing it. And of course, you have your standard views and your unique viewers. And there's also more analytics, which is average view duration. This is important. You could watch this. And you could also see your retention, your audience retention rates. And yeah, so there's tons of analytics that you could use. And from here, you could go down to comments. You don't have any comments yet, but you can see your comments. There are other features. So you could create playlists, live events, and translation, transcription, and monetization. And here you have the features of YouTube. So this is like a lot of things that you could enable on your channel. So you could create monetization on your channel. So you have to go through a whole step-by-step guide for that to happen. You could enable live streaming, but anyone could do that. You could embed live streams, create longer videos. So for longer videos, I'll make a video on how to do that. It's really easy and simple. So I'll create a video on that, and hopefully I'll be able to link it to this video. And this one, everyone has custom thumbnails. I'll also be looking to make a video on that too. So yeah, that one will be coming very soon. So custom thumbnails. A thumbnail is basically when someone sees your video, like all these videos that get millions of views and really like tons of people who watch it and stuff like that. They don't just get it because they're a big channel. You could still have small channels with tons of views. I mean, the title is very, very important, but something that's also just as important is thumbnails. Thumbnails are the picture you see on the video. So like you see the title and you see the thumbnail. It's what captures you. And that's very important. And there's external annotations. So you can link annotations on or merch partners. That's along your path of being a YouTuber. And there's super chat. So if you've seen any people going live, any YouTubers going live, they have a super chat. Custom URL. That's not really too important unless you're gonna link your YouTube video or channel. And your content ID appeals and channel memberships. So you don't have any memberships yet. And also here you'll see your copyright status. So if you made any copyright videos, which hopefully I'm guessing you're not, but you have your copyright status because this is a new channel. You'll have everything's good. So yeah, and you could go back to your channel, and here you could see your comments and their spam and stuff like that. Hopefully you won't be getting any of that. And you could also go into channel settings. You could see your currency, so if you're making a YouTube video, and you could also go into Creator Studio Classic, but I think that line of the Studio Beta is better. You could go down here, you could go to Advanced, display the number of people, disable interest-based ads. I wouldn't really recommend that, because the more interest-based they are, the better. And branding, you could create your own watermark. Yeah, it's not really working right now, but there's other ways to create your watermark, and we might go over that later in the video. But going on, you have your essentials, so your title, descriptions, visibility, extras, your tags, and advanced, so you could see your standard YouTube license. I keep this. Creative Commons is basically when someone else could reuse and redistribute your videos. And this is basically, you could go advanced channel settings, but I don't really recommend messing with that. So if you want to go into Creator Studio Classic, I'll show you that real quick. It's pretty old, like as you could see here. I mean, you might like it, so I'll just show it for the sake of this video. So here, this is how you create your videos, and you have audio library, and you create your videos up there. You have community, live streaming. It's basically the same thing, but it just, I like the display of the YouTube Beta Studio better. So actually, that's it. So it's really easy for any of you beginners out there. Anyone can do this. It doesn't take that much. It's not that hard to become a YouTuber, and there's definitely tons of positives to it. So if you guys aren't yet, please consider subscribing and liking this video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed, and see you guys.